Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get movie clips for edits. Whether it's for TikTok edits or whatever you want, you will be able to access a huge catalog of movie clips and more. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and a subscription. I appreciate it very much. Thanks. Well, if in this page we type a keyword related to the movie we want, we will have access to a bank of videos to use in edits. For example, if I search for Batman, I will be able to access clips from many movies that have things related to Batman. If we click on next page, we can continue searching for the perfect clip. The good thing about this site is that it has no limits. We can find traditional and classic movies, and also Lego Batman movies in this case. But you must have imagination and look for what you want. Here, we can also look for animated series like South Park and many more classics. To access this website, go to Google and search for getyarn.io. If you found the video useful, leave a like and a subscription. Thanks!